For decades, South Carolinians have been manufacturing vehicles and tires for global companies. Inside state-of-the-art production facilities, automotive workers mold rubber, assemble parts, weld components, install interiors, and paint exteriors. The finished vehicles and tires roll off assembly lines, ready for transport. Thousands of South Carolina-made vehicles and tires arrive at the Port of Charleston each week to be loaded onto ships headed to countries around the world. For advanced manufacturers running just-in-time supply chains, reliability and efficiency are everything. SC Ports is proud to support our state's successful and growing automotive industry and the tens of thousands of jobs connected to it. South Carolina Ports delivers for South Carolina.